Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can delete a blank pages or delete pages in your Microsoft Word document. So here as you can see it is the two pages and you can also see the pages on the left hand bottom. So to delete the page you have just click on you want to click on the view option you are seeing on the top. Once you click on that, here you will see the navigation pane like this. So you just need to check this. Now here in the navigation pane, you just click on the pages you are seeing on the second. So now here you have to just select the page that you want to delete. So you have to just select the page and then you can simply press the backspace key. Once you press the backspace key, the page is going to delete. So if you press the one time, then here as you can see, it is not going to delete. So you have to just press the backspace multiple times to delete the page. If the backspace is not working, you can also press the delete key to delete the page. So I can just create the many pages and I can just press the backspace multiple times to delete the page. If you press the backspace one time that it's not going to delete. And then I will show you the second method to delete the pages. So here I can just create the many pages as you can see. So I can just press the backspace and here you can see it's now deleting. And there is two ways to delete you can see, and this is how you can delete the pages or blank pages. And guys, if you find this video helpful, so please like it because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.